Like, follow me.
Okay. Kathy's like running into a puddle. Yeah. Kathy? You're gonna get sick.
I'm gonna get hypothermia. My feet are cold. I can't feel my toes. They look ugly because I didn't paint them, yeah. They're really dirty and ugly and black and no.
Freaking no homo. Yeah, okay.
Oh, there's more puddles. Let's walk in the middle of the street with no shoes.
Yay.
And my feet hurt from
Well, I have shoes on, so.
Ow! Ow!
Oh, look at that booty. Yeah. Oh, that's just wonderful.
It's cold. I'm gonna get hypothermia.
Oh my God.
Whoa, look at my toe. Hey, like, I'm going from that puddle across here. You know it's gonna be so much fun. There.
Dude, Kathy's like so retarded. Like, I really think she's slow. Yeah, I'm ready.
Hey, look, leave.
Okay, dude. Dude, let's go. Oh.
My pants are wet.
Let's go back in the house. I'm so cold.
I'll waste you.
No. Don't race me. I'm gonna lose. Kathy.